causes side effects like myelosuppression, so can cause anemia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, or even pancytopenia. It can cause certain malignancies like lymphoma, squamous cell carcinoma, or infections like disseminated herpes simplex, varicella zoster virus, HIV. It is also hepatotoxic and can also cause GI side effects. GI side effects like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and pancreatitis. It can also cause a hypersensitivity syndrome, which usually occurs within 1 month of usage of azathioprine in about 2% of patients. And in this syndrome, what happens is it can cause fever, malaise, myalgia, arthralgia, leukocytosis, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, renal or hepatic toxicity, pancreatitis, hypotension, and cardiogenic shock. And in this syndrome can also occur lesions like sweet syndrome like lesions, erythema nodosum like lesions, and also lesions like acute generalized xanthematous pustulosis and leukocytoclastic vasculitis like lesions. And this syndrome settles down within a few days of discontinuing azathioprine. And if this syndrome happens once with the use of azathioprine, then re-challenge with the same drug should not be given again. Drug interactions caused by azathioprine or DAT are as follows. Azathioprine is metabolized by xanthine oxidase, and allopurinol inhibits xanthine oxidase. So it indirectly increases the toxicity of azathioprine. And other drugs which increase the toxicity of azathioprine, they are ACE inhibitors like captopril, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, trimethoxazole, aminosalicylates, and ribavirin. And rifampicin decreases the efficacy of azathioprine, and azathioprine reduces the efficacy of coumadin and warfarin. That is, increased dosage of coumadin and warfarin is needed to produce the similar effects with the while they're being used with the azathioprine. Lastly, azathioprine is available with the brand names of Amarin and Imiron. Both are available in the dosage of 50 mg, and price of Amarin 50 mg is about almost 10 rupees, and Imiron's price is almost 17 rupees. Thank you.